So this is the box today. It doesn't even fit on the frame over here. Like, hey, what up, guys? Pabs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. And as you can tell, the box today is quite large. I have no idea why. Today we have the Air Presto Mid. I think that's what it's called, like the one with the sock. I've had this box over here in the studio for like the last 2 months. Terrible. That's my life. It's been here the longest time. I got this pair from one of the sales that Nike has been doing. But yeah, I got them for a cheaper price than retail. I don't know. I thought it was a pretty cool shoe. I want to try it out. I love the Presto, so I decided that maybe try out that modification of it. But I just don't get the huge box. It just comes with air. I thought they sent me a gift or something. I was like, if they send such a huge box, it's for a reason. But yeah, I'm gonna have to, sorry about this, because I gotta, okay, the box is actually backwards. So a huge box is definitely a problem. Oh, look, we missed one. There you go. Sorry that you can't really see this. The thing is, again, the box is so large that if I move it a little bit, it's gonna just mess up the whole, or make the DSLR fall. So, okay, so there's this shoe box. Let me set it right there. Look at this. Look at this. It's almost here. If I put it on the table, it's almost as tall as me. It's like to my shoulder. See, they put all that protection, and the box is still damaged over there in the corner. It's whatever though, it's whatever. So, like I was saying, today we got the Air Presto Mid Utility, the Velvet Brown colorway. The funny story behind these is that I got them while I was at work. I was in the register, you know, scanning people's stuff, and then I got a notification on my watch saying that these were on sale. And I don't know why, for whatever reason, I got an idea that these were gonna sell out. And I was like trying to rush my whole process. Oh no, they're gonna sell out. And they're still available. So, but anyways, let's go ahead. I'm excited to see how these look. They're peeking over here a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, I like them so far. Ooh. All right, these remind me of a boot for whatever reason. I don't know. They, like, when I looked at the pictures, they didn't really look like boots. But then having them here in person, let me see if maybe taking this out. They come with the little cardboard part. So well, that's, wait, no, that's a lot of space for my foot to fit in. Like, my legs aren't that big. Let's go ahead and take the other one out. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I like the colorway, I like the color scheme, but I'm not sure about the design on the shoe just yet. I don't know how I'm liking this sock-like or higher collar style on these. They got the zipper compared to the other Prestos. The other Prestos cut like around here, and these they just added this like cushion. Not sure what material this is, but it is a little bit cushion on the inside. I'm not sure whether or not I'm gonna keep them yet, just because I already got way too many shoes, and you know, you gotta be financially smart too. Like, you just can't be dropping so much money on shoes. So yeah, that's also the reason why I might not do an outfit look today. They got the same Presto, you know, details. They got the swoosh over here in the toe box. These do got a little bit of splatter paint pattern going through the midsole. Once again, the same midsole as the Presto. If you guys haven't seen the original Presto unboxing on my channel, it's gonna be linked in the description or in the card right now. But they also got this like midsole going into the outsole detail that also goes into the laces. This is one of the details that I've always loved about the Prestos. But the Nike swoosh as well over there. You got the Presto over here on the inside and nothing on the outside. But then on the outside you do have the Nike swoosh as well, and these little 5 points over here towards the heel. But yeah, the outsole is pretty much the same with the Air over here in the, or right below the heel as well. And of course, I forgot, you got the Presto, the P, and the Nike swoosh over here in the front. But once again, this is the thing, I don't know, fam. This is just like, you got 2 zippers. I thought it was just 1 zipper, but you got 2. So yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about these, but I forgot to show you the insole with the Nike Air. So you also have the swoosh and the Air on the, over here in the back, but it's just, like, you can barely see it on this one. On the other models, on the other colorways, it's a lot more clear. But I think it's a moment of truth for these though. They do smell really new. They got the brand new shoes mill. But yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, sorry for not having an outfit look today, just because I'm not 100% sure what to do with them yet. But if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to go and subscribe to keep on watching more of these unboxing sneaker videos. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.